What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Brittany Built. Today we're going to learn how to install a thermostat. So stay tuned and figure out exactly how to do it. That way you know when your thermostat goes out. So they're honestly fairly simple. I was surprised by how simple they are. You want your dome to face out and your spring to go towards the engine. And you'll take your gasket, put it there, all while holding your thermostat still. So I'll set that up. So you want it about like that, where your gasket is on top of your thermostat. Another easy way to install the thermostat is to put it in your thermostat housing. So mine fits flush in the thermostat housing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my gasket. And we'll bolt it right up. Make sure when you install it that your thermostat stays flush in your housing. So I pre-tightened all of this. I'm gonna make sure that is also staying flush. That way there's no wiggle room and everything will work out. Both of those bolts tighten down. You can look up your torque specs, tighten them to the torque specs, and you've installed your thermostat. I hope you learned something from this video, because I'm all about motivating you, teaching you, and having us learn along the way how to build our dreams, because dreams don't become a reality unless they're built. So thank you for tuning into this informative video. I'll catch you guys all next week with more updates on Blue.